I saw your name still saved on my phone. Heart paused every time I was alone. You called me soft, I called it truth. But all I ever gave was all of you. You were my sunrise after the storm, my warmth when the nights were warm. We talk about homes and wedding rings. Now I talk to God about everything. If we made it, if we stayed, we'd be dancing in the love we made, cooking in our Sunday clothes, praying through the highs and lows. If we made it, girl, you'd see there was heaven between you and me. Not just romance, it was real. Not just feelings, it could heal. I was grinding for a future house, putting every dollar where my vow was. 2 months, no breaks on my grind, all for you to feel secure and mine. But your silence hit like thunder, while I whispered, don't let us go under. And I still believe you love me too, but fear made you push through a different view. Now I freestyle with no one to hear, every lyric's laced with every tear. But if time rewinds, I'd still choose you through every, almost every, if every truth. If we made it, if we stayed, we'd be dancing in the love we made, laughing in our matching shoes, dreaming like we had nothing to lose. If we made it, girl, you'd see there was purpose between you and me. Not just moments, it was soul. Not just fire, it was hope. So if you ever wonder where I went, I'm still that man you knew, heaven sent. Loving loud but moving on, but your name still lives in my song.